Okay, now before your test, Shelby, you were struggling a little bit with these types of problems here because they are different. I've written a new packet. Hopefully it makes sense. An electrician makes $400 per heater. Now, the fact that it says per heater makes it very important because that means for every one heater, don't write this, just watch. Okay? So let's say I do a heater. That's $400. Let's say I do another heater. That's $400. Another heater, there's $400 more dollars. Okay? So the fact that it's for every heater is important because that means to figure out the pay, we take $400 times. Now look to see if you know how many heaters you repaired. Heater, 30 heaters. So I could times that by 30 and I can come out with my pay. Okay, how much money will I make? Okay, so 400 multiplied by 30 would be $12,000. So $12,000. Okay, next problem. A plumber makes $200 per house. Okay, so I want to set up an equation where I have $200 times, now see if we know the houses. I don't. That's not houses. It says how many houses. Okay? So, since I don't know that, I'm going to put an X right there. But I do know here I was finding the total pay. Here I know how much I want to make. I want to make $2,000. So, the opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide by 200. Cancel and divide by 200. So 2,000 divided by 200 is 10. Okay, so 10. Now it said how many houses, so it's 10 houses. Okay. Example 3. A car salesman makes $1,000 per car sold. Okay, so I have $1,000. And the per means we're going to multiply by the number of cars, but it says how many cars, so I don't, and 3,000 is not cars, how many cars, so that's my answer, okay? Equals, okay? I know what it's equal to $3,000. So if you see it's per car, you need to look for a quantity of cars, how many cars, but I don't know how many cars, that's my answer. So again, on this problem, that means I'm going to divide both sides by the 1,000. Those cancel, and we're going to divide by 1,000 here. Okay? So X equals, and 3,000 divided by 1,000 is 3. Now it said how many cars. Look at how many cars. So 3 cars. Okay, example 4. A welder makes $300 per statue. So $300 times, but it says per statue. So I'm looking for, 25 statues. 25 statues. So when I write the equation, I can take times 25, and then what I don't know is how much I'll get paid. So we put the X here. And on this, the X is by itself, so all I need to do is multiply. Okay, so 300 times 25 is 7,500. Now let's look at our label. It says how much will he get paid? So he got paid $7,500. Okay, his next one. A painter makes $250 per house. So $250 times the houses. So I got to find my house, put equals, I should say. So I got to find my houses, and there's 8 houses. So times 8. And I want to figure out how much money we made. So X goes here. That's what I don't know. So I can just perform the operation on that side. Okay, so 250 times 8 is 2,000. Okay, now your label, what was it asking? How much will we get paid? So he makes $2,000. Okay, a worker makes $12 per hour work. How many hours we need to work to make 600? Put that equals right away. So you got $12 per hour. Now, here's hours. So find out. I don't have any hours, so I'm going to put the X there because I don't know. That's what it's asking me. So if I don't know the hours, I'm going to need to know how much we want to get paid, and it would be 600. Okay. So I don't know what operation I'm going to do, so I need to do the opposite of times, which is to divide. So 600 divided by 12 is 50. So what did it ask me? How many hours? Okay, if it says how much will we get paid, then it would be money would be the answer, but how many hours means I would put the label on that, 50 hours. All right, that's what I have to say on that. I hope that made sense. Remember again, $10 per lawn. That means $10 times the number of lawns I mowed equals my pay. Okay, and it appears per lawn I have lawns right there, so 12. Okay, now if I don't have the lawns, it's times X, and then we better know how much we get paid because I'm trying to figure out how many I would work.